Hi everyone, I'm Christian Esguera. One of the, I think one of the very first students of Father Eilers in the Social Pastoral Communication Program at the UST Graduate School, and I'm very, very happy to be given this opportunity to share some reflections, some memories about Father Eilers on the occasion of his fifth death anniversary. Siguro I'd like to start with how I got into his program. I was basically a curious post-grad student wannabe. Nag-walk-in po ako sa UST Graduate School, and then I was looking for a program which I thought would fit my interest, because at that time I was already practicing journalist, and I was thinking, ano ba magandang postgraduate program na kunin. I didn't want to take up mass communications related subjects or programs anymore, or MA journalism. So sabi ko, I wanted to learn about something na I wasn't really that familiar with, and nakita ko yung program na Social Pastoral Communication. And that program was headed by Father Eilers at that time. And initially, of course, medyo scary si Father Eilers because number one is he's German, so medyo strict. And right away, I realized that he was a no-nonsense professor. Hindi mo pwedeng bula-bulahin yung mga subjects na hinahandle niya, yung mga paper. And then more and more, I realized how important the program was. And I also saw the human side of him, no? Aside from being a teacher, he was really some sort of a father to us, his students, very caring. And eventually, he became my spiritual director, and he was also inviting me regularly for discussions, for reflections about my career as a journalist. And at the same time, I was also teaching at that time already. So may mga exchanges kami, may mga advice siya na binibigay, and I truly appreciated them. One thing I really remember about him was he kept on reminding me that of how important teaching as a profession was. Sabi niya, you multiply yourself in your students when you teach, when you are a teacher. And hindi niya in-emphasize yung importance nung character building, nung values na meron ka as a teacher, as a person, because these are the same values that you're going to propagate or multiply among your students. So, hindi ko makakalimutan yung tinuturo niya na yun. And of course, si Father Eilers, he is the authority in this particular field. And talaga napaka-useful nung kanyang mga itinuro, yung kanyang body of work. For me, as a journalist, to see my job not just from the perspective of secular communication, but also from the perspective of social communications. All these things talagang mas na-realize ko when I got to know Father Eilers. So, yun. So, napakalaki po ng utang na loob ko. Sampu na marami sa mga naging kaklase ko dito kay Father Eilers. And we know that He's in heaven and very much in the care of our Lord. So, again, of course, we miss Father Eilers. And ayan, I'm just very glad that he had this opportunity to be under his tutelage, to learn from him, to be his students, and that he became a father figure to us. Ayan po, maraming salamat.